During this drill, I'm going to discuss, then demonstrate a breathing activity that's going to facilitate function between your respiratory and immune systems. So basically, to do the exercise, you're going to sit on a low stool. The lower the better, but don't worry if you can't sit on a stool. You could sit on a chair and elevate your feet on the stool or on books. Objective is to get your knees higher than your hips. You're going to relax your neck muscles. You're going to be into a slight round and tilt tuck of your pelvis so that you don't go into extension. We don't want to go into extension when we breathe. You're going to rest your tongue in the roof of your mouth. You're going to inhale through your nose. Don't force the inhale. You're going to exhale. And as you exhale, you're going to elicit a vowel sound like an ah or an o. And that's going to really help to stimulate the immune system. Position of the arms. I'm going to have my right arm forward, thumb to the ceiling. I'm going to have my left arm behind, thumb to the floor. As I inhale, not going to overuse my neck muscles, I'm going to try to reach back. That's going to really open up my lung fields. And then as I exhale, reach a little bit forward with that forward arm. Elicit the vowel sounds. Slight pause between breaths, and I'm going to repeat that 3 to 4 times before switching to the opposite side. So let me go ahead and demonstrate that. Ooh. After 3, 4, maybe 5 relaxed breaths, you're going to switch sides. Okay, so now my left arm is forward, thumb to ceiling. My right arm behind, thumb to the floor. Inhale, I'm going to reach back with the right, not strain, not extend. During the exhale, I'm going to elicit that vowel sound. Slight pause in between breaths. And again, it's the value of that vibration really elicits the lymphatic system. So good luck. Try this drill several times a day. Really respiratory and immune system enhancing.